So now, in order to explain the stability of an atom and the emission of spectral lines in hydrogen spectrum, Bohr actually came up with his own model. Okay, so this model actually combines classical as well as quantum concepts. So it is called as a semi-classical model. Now, in this model, this model is completely based on three postulates. The first postulate is that the electron always revolves around the nucleus in certain stable orbits. So, as long as the electron is in this orbit, it does not radiate any energy. So, because it does not radiate any energy, the energy of the electron remains same, and these orbits are called as either these orbits are called as a non-radiating or the stationary orbits. So this is the first postulate, and the second postulate is related to the angular momentum of the electron in a stationary orbit. And whenever the electron is in a stationary orbit, the angular momentum of the electron is given by nh cross or nh by 2 pi. So we can write mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. So here n can take any integral value from 1, 2 and 3. And regarding the third postulate, so whenever the electron undergoes a transition from one stationary level to the other stationary level, that is from high energy level to the low energy level, it actually emits a electromagnetic wave. Okay, and the frequency of that spectral line or the electromagnetic wave is given by the energy in the initial orbit minus the energy in the final orbit divided by h. So these are the three postulates of Bohr's atomic model.